Hi guys, welcome back to Auguilicious. Wherever you're watching from, everyone that supported this family, I welcome you guys. Are you considering quitting YouTube? I know there are so many videos popping up to say they give up on YouTube. YouTube is not worth it. And there are so many discouraging words I get on this space, on this platform, that makes me want to stop. But am I stopping? Am I quitting? No, I'm not quitting. I've seen people come up to say they regret their statement wanting to quit YouTube. I've seen strong advocates that have vouched for being a YouTuber. Of course, we know the very do dash herself or so many other persons that are vouching for you to be on this platform. Again, I've seen content creators that have come up to say that they regret their statement on saying quit YouTube and they've gone back to their 9 to 5 job. So, this is an irony being on this space. Things are changing, the government is changing, everything is changing, nothing is stable. The only thing that is stable is time. So, the most valuable thing is time. If you can manage your time well, be a YouTuber or whatever you're doing, time management is the most effective because time doesn't change. Yesterday is 12 o'clock, today is 12 o'clock. It cannot be 12 o'clock yesterday and today is no longer 12 o'clock. So these are the things you should put into consideration being a YouTuber or whatever you decide to do. And my own experience is that being a YouTube or being a YouTuber, this has been quite challenging for me because I've been on this space for couple of months and I'm yet to even reach my first 500. So if you've not subscribed, please hit the like button, subscribe, and support this family because I have something of valuable to share to you and to encourage you to be who you are. Why most YouTubers give up is because they don't get the views they were expecting. Probably they started off and they were getting subscribers, they were getting views, and all of a sudden their views dropped and they get discouraged and they want to quit YouTube. If you listen to the testimony of Blessing, I will post her content on this video or somewhere around and I'll also tag her. If you listen to her latest content, you'll see that she has also testified on having a 9 to 5 job and being on YouTube. So quitting YouTube is not an option. So just keep doing what you know how to do, or you you see yourself that you're in the middle of everything, or you feel like you're just all over the place. Just keep doing you. Don't give up. Definitely, you will shine out if you don't give up. Because I have seen myself that using my channel as an example, I've tried putting up several contents and I've tried putting out my workouts, I've tried putting out my inspiration videos, but I'm not quitting. Whether this is working now or it's working future or it's not working is not my focus. My focus is, am I doing what I'm happy doing, or am I doing something that I can sustain? Even bringing out tips on being a content creator is because I'm here, I'm saying this for myself, I'm having that experience, and also hearing the testimony of other YouTubers. So I come here to share with you guys. And quitting cannot be an option for you. So if you're having other channels, like some YouTubers have come up to say you can have other channels, fine, you can go ahead, have as many channels you want to have. But then, is it something that is overworking you, or is it something that you feel that is too stressful? So those are the things you should put into consideration when you're opening these other channels. Don't quit and don't let anything discourage you. So share this video with someone that is feeling discouraged or someone that is at the verge of quitting. Do not quit. You might not be getting the amount of views you want to have, but that doesn't mean you should stop because you're not having that amount of views. Or like I met someone that said that he's not even interested in doing this YouTube because he's not getting the support. Yes, you may not get the support, but then quitting shouldn't be an option. You could decide to listen to other content creators. You could decide to watch other people's video, see what is keeping them, see what they are pushing out, get inspiration from such YouTubers. And again, you can't be on this space and now listen to other people's testimony. You have to. You have to make up time to listen to other people's testimony. And you also have to have time to checkmate what's working on your channel and what's not working. And there are content creators that have taken it upon themselves to also help encourage other content creators through their channel. And this other information they give to help you sustain your channel. So you could go for that and you could keep creating. That's what I'll say. Keep creating and do not quit your YouTube channel because it's something that you never can know the video that could pick up. It could be today, it could be tomorrow, or whenever it decides to pick up, but definitely I'm sure it will definitely pick up. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.